Okay, this is the setup we have to test the variable intensity light to find the right intensity for the vision application that you're currently working on. This particular light has a 0 to 10 volt input that will vary the intensity. The goal here is not to use this light as your long-term solution, but using this potentiometer and this light to come up with the proper intensity. Take note of the voltage reading going into it, and then Banner can incorporate a fixed resistor to have the light ship out with that intensity. That being said, I'm not sure how the quality of the light is going to show up on the smartphone video, but I think you'll see the idea of what's going on. So I've got this multimeter here, as my thumb is pointing at, with the potentiometer input. This is reading out in what the output voltage is going to be going to the light. Personally, I didn't see much of a difference at about 3.5 volts and below, so I'm going to start here at 3.38. You'll see that I can turn it counterclockwise to make it go down. I'm not seeing much change in the light, but when I start pushing up to 4 volts, you'll see the light will start to change, and it looks like above 4, smaller changes in voltage really impact the intensity of the light. So the sweet spot appears to be kind of in the middle 2/3 of the signal. So as you can see, I'm continuing up, and of course we can get up to, but we know 9 to 10 volts isn't going to be it because of the current one being too bright. So here, as you settle on something, let's say it happens to be about right here, just take note, 4.7 volts, and then Banner can incorporate that. This is the green one, and you will see with the labor-saving quick disconnect cord set that I have deployed that we are also going to try the same thing in a white light. Talking to Jeff, I believe we chose green way back when because white LEDs really weren't that prevalent. And a lot of advantages have come with white LEDs. If your customer has different colors of fiducials and such that they are trying to distinguish from a background, white is typically the best color. Yet I don't think white was an available option back when we chose this in Spotlight, so we're including a white one just in case. But this one, the intensity appears to be a little more sensitive in that lower voltage range. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but as we increase up. So same kind of concept. They're wired the same. All you have to do is change them out. Take a note of what the Red Lion meter says and let us know which one works the best, and we can quote a fixed resistance light to give you just the proper amount of illumination for your application. Thank you very much. Any questions, please give us a call.